Okay, top sentence then is about presenting my answer, so I need to annotate any calculations I do to get that mark. This setup is a 6 and 2, 6 for getting the question right and 2 for presenting fully. Now we've got 45 children and some adults are going on a coach trip. The cost of the trip, so I know the total cost of the trip, and I've got 45 children. It was £12 for each adult to go and £8 for each child. The cost of hiring the coach is £150. So let's do some costings that we can first of all. Okay, so I just write down, so the cost of the coach is £115, so that's straightforward. Right, to go into the nature reserve, these 45 children are each going to be paying £8. So the cost of entry for the children, that's going to be 45 times 8. So work that out here, 45 times 8, 5 8s are 40, knock down carry 4, 4 8s 32, and 4 is 36. So the cost, so the children are going to be paying £360 to go in. Right. The cost for each adult is £12, but I don't know how many adults there are. So I know the total paid was 523. So if I subtract these two payments from the 523, then that is going to represent the cost of how much the adults have paid to go. So if I add these two up first of all, then 115 and 360, it's 574. So the cost of entry for the adults is going to be 523, take away 475. Right, 3 take away 5 I can't do, so borrow, so 2 becomes 1, that's 13. 13 take away 5 is 8. 1 take away 7 can't do, so I need to borrow, that's a 4, that's 11. 11 take away 7 is 4. 4 take away 4 is nothing. So the cost for the adults is £48. So each adult ticket was £12. So the number of adults will be how many 12s there are in 48. 48 divided by 12, and 4 12s make 48, so that makes 4 adults. I'll just check back then for those 2 marks. Does the person who's reading my work follow what I've done, i.e. have I labelled my calculations, and I have at each stage, so I'm okay for the 2 as well.